Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can publish your Webflow website, so let's get started. Publishing your Webflow site is super simple, and you can do it in just a few clicks. Start by opening your project inside the Webflow designer. Once everything has loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the Publish button. When you click it, Webflow will show you all available domains you can publish to. This usually includes your free Webflow staging domain and any custom domains you've connected. Choose the domain you want to publish your project to, then click Publish to selected domains. Webflow will process everything, and within a few seconds your website will go live. If you're publishing to a custom domain for the first time, make sure your domain settings and DNS are properly connected once they're set up. Your site will publish smoothly every time. After the publish is complete, Webflow will give you a link so you can instantly open your live website and review your changes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.